Kelsey here at Recap today to bring you our really fun activity for today. It's a kids activity today, so I'm really excited about it. So today we will be making liquid chalk paint. So it's really easy. It's an alternative to just regular sidewalk chalk paint. So this is really the same idea, but you really could paint it with any paintbrush that you have in the house. It'll come off the sidewalk when it rains or when you wash off or whatever. So before we get started, I just wanted to remind everyone that all of the ebooks on masonjars.com are free right now, from fermentation to kids books to a kids lap book, dog recipes, a bunch of different things. They are all free right now. And when I get done with the end of this chalk paint recipe, feel free to ask any questions. I will grab them at the end. Any questions you might have, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. So to get started with this, I already have in my little jelly jar here 4 tablespoons of hot water just out of the faucet. Just 4 tablespoons of hot water. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this cornstarch. Into my little mason jar here. So you can make a bunch of different colors. You could really make this about learning about art, about combining a couple different things of food coloring in with it, and what colors add with what, primary colors or secondary colors. Kind of make it a really fun art class, and you can go out and make a really cool mural on your sidewalk. So now I'm going to add all I have is gel food coloring, so I'm going to add some in here. I'm going to do yellow. I've already done red, as you can see right here. So I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of hot water just out of the sink, and some food coloring just to your taste, to whatever your kids want to do. I added my Recap flip lid to the top of this, and now I'm just going to shake it around. So as you can see, I chose a pretty vibrant yellow here. And when you're done, it's like really liquidy, and you're thinking, okay, this is gonna look horrible on the sidewalk. It comes out really nicely, so I'm gonna take you outside to what I drew a little bit earlier on my sidewalk, and you can see really how well it works. I don't know if it's dry yet, but we will find out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask at any point. Okay, so here we are. I drew my name a little earlier in that red paint, sidewalk chalk. As you can see, it comes out really, really vivid. It is awesome. So, if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. And if I'm not able to see, we will make sure that we can respond later on in the comments. So awesome sidewalk chalk paint. I should have brought that yellow out here for you guys to see. But that is it for now. So if anyone has any questions about that sidewalk chalk paint, super easy for your kids to do, really quick, and a really fun activity that they can learn more about the color wheel. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.